Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search based on photos on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top right corner you can see a camera icon. Tap on it. Here you can take a photo, or if you tap on the photo at the bottom left corner of the screen, then you can see your gallery and you can choose a photo from here. And if you tap on the picture, after that you can see the results, which are similar to your photo. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye!